Hi YouTube. Today we will be making a duct tape wallet. I don't have one to show, but I know how to do it. So here are the things you'll need. 2 rolls of duct tape. One for the outside, it could be a pattern. I suggest using the pattern. And one for the inside, it could be a plain color. It could be a pattern, but I like it in plain color better. Scissors or an X-Acto knife. I'll be using X-Acto knife. Well, anyway, let's get started. You're going to take the color of your outside, like this, and I can never find it. Okay. I'm going to take, oops, that always happens. I'm going to take, just going to cut that part off. Okay, so it's again. You'll take and cut however much you want, like how big you want your wallet to be in the width. I'm doing mine about that big. So my piece is this big, and this is for the outside. I'm going to flip it over and put it somewhere to the side. Like I'll put it in here. Then I'm going to take my inside color and cut a piece. I have to measure it. Almost the exact same length. So you're going to take this. Take your tape. I can get this off. And cut a piece. The exact same length. It's okay if it's a little bigger. It's not like the duct tape police is gonna come and get you if it's a little bit bigger. Then you're gonna take your piece. Gonna lay one of them down, the sticky side facing up. Then you're going to take it and place it on top. It's okay if it isn't perfect. Mine's not that perfect. You can still see some sticky stuff. And then you will repeat the steps until it is how big you want your wallet. So you're going to flip this back over. I suggest doing this at once. To me, it's way easier. Take a piece, lay it on top. And then, to me, it's just easy to do it. So what I'm doing, lay it on top of it, and cut. So then, most of the other side is sticky. Now you're going to cover that with your inside duct tape. So you're going to take the tape. This tape. Then you're going to measure the same size on the sticky side though. So cut that. It might look like this. I just need one more piece down there at the sticky part. I'm going to take some duct tape. Going to lay it right. Oops. It's fine if it gets wrinkled. Mine's always wrinkled. I never get it right. Cut it. And it should look like this. Outside color, inside color. Duct tape. And then if you would like to fold, if you want, you could either fold it in half. So you can do that. Or just make a second one of these. I'm going to fold mine in half. Right now would be a good time to cut off all the extra sticky parts to see if you want it bigger or not. So, just doing this and cutting off all the sticky part. So, and take this. Okay, if there's some extra, you can just fold it down like a tiny bit. Just fold it down. So, like this. I'm gonna fold it this way. Fold it in half so it's equal and make a crease. Then you take a piece of your outside colored duct tape and measure the size of here to here. With your duct tape. Oops. Not like this tape. So once you've measured it, it's good for it to be a tiny bit bigger. So I cut my piece. Now I'm going to take my piece that I just cut and cut it straight right down the middle of it. So 2 thin pieces. Then you take your wallet and you're going to take that thin piece, place it along this side, like that, oops, like so, and then fold it to the back. And then any extra part down here, just cut it off. And then you do the same with the second piece that you cut, it's a small piece. I'm going to cut it here on this side. Then I'll take it, fold it over, and cut off the extra. And then you got your inside there. And if you want, you could even, I'm going to show you how to make pockets on the outside that could hold cards. But if you want to just fold this in half, so it's an ultra mini wallet, and you have about 4 parts, you could put tape on the bottom and tape on the side so it won't fly open, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take some tape I want for the pocket. I want the main part of the pocket. This. I'm going to take about size a little bigger than a card that you put in, like a credit card, if you want size a little bigger. So cut a piece, and then I'm going to cut another piece the same size. This kind of needs to be exact, as exactly as you can get it. So you cut it. That's where it has to be exact. Then you're going to take a piece, flip it over, take your second piece, and place it on there so one of the sides has some white, or whatever color, the sticky part of your duct. So it has some white there. Then extras on the side, just fold it. Then you're going to take this, it could fit about maybe 2 credit cards in it. You'll stick it right. Make sure that the part you're sticking at the bottom is down there. So it's like this. You flip this. Then you'll take this, flip it over. Then you will take some your outside colored duct tape. You will cut some duct tape. You will cut some duct tape that is about the size of your pocket for your wallet, right there to there. So you
wrap it up in time.
So that it's this size. So I'm measuring. Then you will cut that in half. I'm just going to rip it. and then just place it on the side. If there's extra on the top, just fold it into the wallet. No one will see the inside. Then fold it into the wallet. If you want to, you can do the same on the other side, or you can add like your initial or something on duct tape. I'm not going to do that. So there you go. You got yourself a duct tape wallet with a pocket for a card and a pocket. Just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.